So, Gorilla Stone Paul, welcome. RIP and super much condolences to the fallen heroes of the movement of young people wanting and requesting and demanding a better future for themselves and their children. A lot of blood has been shed, lives have been lost, maimed by police brutality in this country. You saw the other day even government saboteurs. It's called the Hegelian dialect. You create a problem, you force a reaction, and then purport to bring a solution. That's why you saw a lot of damages in the peaceful picketing provided for in the constitution of this country. So the government is willing to pay goons to come and disrupt young people for their own selfish interests. We are a community of sad jokers. So Raila Odinga and Kalonzo Musyoka and all those hypocrites of Azimio, ODM, and whatever fucking fuckery of thuggery they fucking purport, you are not speaking for the young people. Amongelei vijana. Raila na Kalonzo, na hizo umbwa mko nazo, whatever dialogue you have made with those hyenas, stick it up your asses, umbwa hizi. You don't recognize Raila Odinga or Kalonzo Musyoka or any other hypocrite hyena that have been holding us progress all this time. And you young people need to wake up and be wise on these fucking monkeys. They are just passing bills left and right and center for their own interests. We are not on our own. Hakuna mtu anatetea vijana ama hakuna mtu anataka kuona hii country ikienda poa. So Raila Odinga, Kalonzo Musyoka, keep off young people's revolution. Fuck you. We kuleni pesa yenu, tafekeni nayo. Your time is coming. And you are done with all you fucking pretentious cowards. Na wazazi wetu wenye wana support hizi umbwa. And all you older generation wenye mna support hizi umbwa. Fuck all you too. If you support this status quo of these hyenas to continue pillaging and plundering, fuck all you. We are tired. Right? Aluta continua.